Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do something a little bit different here. I wanted to bring you to this website called MosaLingua. I have the premium version here and I have the app as well, but I wanted to start off with the website for you guys. So as you can see, it is a language website and it's one of my favorite that I've come across so far. So you can learn English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Chinese. I'm in the. I'm going to start learning Italian here. As you can see, I haven't done any challenges yet, but I wanted to bring you to this page because the language challenges are very cool from what I've seen so far. They do allow you to get your feet wet, start seeing progress and fast results here. This is the way that they break down. The first one, you learn 10 new words or phrases a day. And you can see it takes about 15 days for you to complete that one on the beginner side. The second one is listen to a foreign language dialogue. Third one is translate your favorite foreign language song lyrics and sing along, which is very cool because songs are one of the great ways to learn a different language. They stick to your memory very well. Four is read an article or the first chapter of a book. Five is watch a short dialogue video or episodes of a TV show without the subtitles. So it's really going to challenge yourself with no cheat code for the subtitles. And six is have your first conversation with a native speaker. And as you can see, that is on the advanced scale. But this is just a fun way to do challenges. And as I said, if you get confused about any of those, you can check with Abby here and she can walk you through the process as well. Now, this is just on the website side. They do have a whole slew of things on the app where they go so much more in depth, and you can take test preps. You can get over so many audio recordings of native speakers so you can learn how to correctly pronounce each and every word right from the start. There's so many lessons, videos, and tips within this portal that it's just made everything just so refreshing to hear, because some apps, they're so overwhelming. They're not fun. And with languages, you have to find a scale to have it be fun for the listener. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys because they are holding a Black Friday special going on right now where you receive everything here that is listed. You get lifetime access, 8 languages, and 97% off. So I'm going to let Abby tell you a little bit more about this special here.
This week only, you can get a 97% discount on lifetime access to all our courses and mobile apps. This super special offer is our very own MosaLingua way of transforming Black Friday. Instead of accumulating more stuff, invest in yourself and in improving your skills. The special language bundle we prepared for you has a value of over $5,000, and it's usually sold as a subscription. And perhaps the best part is that it includes Mosa Series, our language course available for 5 languages, which teaches listening comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and more through, you guessed it, a captivating story. If you're interested, click the link to get started. Myself and the rest of the MosaLingua team would be thrilled to have you join our courses, and we can't wait to help you get amazing language results in no time.
I just wanted to bring this to you guys so you know what they have to offer. It is called their fluency bundle here, as you can see. But again, you get so much information for $99. So if this is something that you would like to partake in, I will leave the link below and you can click on it and go ahead and access everything yourself. It is an affiliate link. I will let you guys know that. So if anybody clicks on it, I will get a small percentage, which also does help out the channel as well. But the main goal is to help you get better with your languages. So if that's something that you like, let me know below with a comment, a like, everything like that. And let me know if this is something that you like, because I can do more reviews on websites that I find like this to truly let you know of good resources for you outside of my channel. There might be something that, I find along my way that I can let you know of. So let me know if you would like more of that in the future. But for that, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Have a happy holiday, and I will see you guys on the next video.